Good day, good vibes, and welcome to this meditation. This meditation will focus on healing within the body. So let's jump straight into it. Close your eyes and remember that this is your time for total relaxation and inner stillness. Begin to make sure that you are comfortable and bring your attention to your breathing for a moment. Take a slow, deep breath in and then exhale. Use this breath to help you release any tension that you may be feeling. Take another slow, deep breath in and then exhale. Use it to help you clear your mind for this meditation. Take another slow, deep breath in, and when you exhale, use it to help you align with this meditation. And go back to your normal breathing, slow and relaxed. You can already feel yourself drifting into a state of deep peace already. And continue to breathe slowly and gently. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Begin to feel your mind relax and let go. Feel any tension release over the top of your head. Allow the muscles in your forehead and temples to relax. Allow your eye muscles to release. And let your cheeks and jaw soften as you let go of any tension. Begin to visualize a ball of bright white light in the center of your mind. When you breathe in, use your breath to draw more light into your mind. When you breathe in, pull bright white light from the universe and direct it into your mind. And as you breathe in, the light expands and gets bigger. Allow the healing light in. Allow this energy to relax your mind and slow down your thoughts. Allow this light to help your mind function at a peaceful state. Bring your attention to your throat. And when you breathe in, pull in bright white light from the universe and direct it into your throat. Begin to visualize a ball of bright white light in the center of your throat. And use your breathing to draw more light into your throat. As you breathe in, the light gets bigger and expands. Allow this healing light to clear and cleanse your throat. Allow this light to help you to communicate clearly and freely after this meditation. Now bring your attention to your heart. When you breathe in, pull in bright white light from the universe and direct it into your heart. Begin to visualize a ball of bright white light in the center of your heart. Use your breathing to draw more light into your heart. And as you breathe in, the light expands and gets bigger. Allow this healing light to flow through your heart. Allow this loving energy to fill your heart up. Bringing you a loving, peaceful vibration. Now bring your attention to your stomach. When you breathe in, pull in bright white light from the universe and direct it into your stomach. Begin to visualize a ball of bright white light in the center of your stomach. Use your breathing to draw in more light into your stomach. And as you breathe in, the light gets bigger and expands. Allow this healing energy to flow around your stomach. Allow this light to bring you a sense of calm and clarity to your gut instincts. And now begin to visualize bright white light showering over your whole body, just like you are standing in a shower. The light hitting the top of your head and flowing over your shoulders. Allow the light to flow over you and expand out into your aura. Watch the light trickling over your shoulders and down your arms and over your legs. right down to your toes. Allow this light to fill up your aura with positive vibrations. Allow the light to shield you. Let the light ground and protect you moving forward with your day. Take this peace and relaxation forwards with you and allow it to flow into your environment. Letting it help you to stay balanced. You can move forward knowing that your body is at peace and your energy has been recharged and balanced. And bring your attention to your breathing for a moment. Slow, calm, and relaxed. And now bring your awareness to your body. Begin to feel your feet, your legs, your lower body, upper body, arms, neck, and head. Have a little stretch if you need to. And there is no rush. Take your time. And when you feel mindful of the room that you are in, you can open your eyes.